Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, remove drop here to share pop-up in Windows 11. Click Start, Settings, click System. Click Nearby Sharing. Turn off drag tray. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.